Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's topic might surprise you. We're diving into the world of raiz invest, but with a twist. Is raiz invest actually just a glorified bank account? Now, before you click away thinking this is a snooze fest, hear me out. Raiz invest is a popular micro-investing app, but how exactly does it work? And more importantly, where does your money go? Let's unpack this and see if raiz invest stacks up as your new financial buddy or if it's something entirely different. So, bank account or investment playground? Alright, I know the suspense is killing you. But before we get to the big reveal, let's understand what a bank account is all about. Your trusty bank account is a safe place to store your cash. It's easily accessible, perfect for everyday transactions, and might even earn you a little bit of interest. Raiz invest, on the other hand, takes a different approach. Instead of simply holding onto your money, it uses it to invest in a diversified portfolio. This means your cash gets spread out across different assets, like stocks and bonds. The goal? Potentially grow your money over time, aiming for a higher return than a traditional savings account. Now, here's the catch. Investments come with risk. Unlike your bank account, which is typically insured by the government, the value of your raiz invest portfolio can go up and down. So, the answer is clear: raiz invest is not a bank account. It's an investment platform designed to help you grow your wealth over the long term. But wait, there's more. Raiz invest offers some pretty cool features that a regular bank account can't compete with. Micro-investing: start small. With raiz invest, you can invest with as little as your spare change. This makes it a great option for beginners who want to dip their toes into the investment world without breaking the bank. Automated investing: set it and forget it. Raiz invest allows you to schedule automatic deposits, so you can invest consistently without even thinking about it. Diversification: don't put all your eggs in one basket. Raiz invest builds your portfolio with a variety of assets, which helps to spread out your risk. So, is raiz invest right for you? Well, that depends on your goals. If you're looking for a safe place to store your emergency fund, a bank account is probably a better option. But if you're looking to grow your wealth over time and are comfortable with a little bit of risk, then raiz invest could be a great choice. Here are some things to consider before you jump in. Your risk tolerance: how comfortable are you with the possibility of losing money? Remember, investments can go down as well as up. Your investment goals: what are you saving for? Retirement? A down payment on a house? Raiz invest might be suitable for long-term goals, but not necessarily short-term ones. Do your research. There are different investment options available on raiz invest. Take some time to understand the different portfolios and choose one that aligns with your risk tolerance and goals. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't expect to get rich quick with raiz invest. But with consistent investing and a long-term perspective, it could be a valuable tool to help you achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.